Hi friends, welcome all to my YouTube channel SPK Trading. Hope all are doing well. So guys, today I want to tell you how to select better or good stock for intraday trading. Before starting, I will tell you one example. If we want to buy a new mobile phone, what we will do? First, we need to set the budget price. Then specification need to check how much RAM and ROM and CPU. After that, we need to select the brand, which brand is suitable for us according to our budget, and we will start the comparison. I think before taking or before purchasing, around 1 or 2 week before, we'll start for the searching, like brands and price, and we'll start the comparison in Amazon, Flipkart, everywhere. Is it correct, right? But guys, if you're selecting any stock to trade, we are analyzing it properly. I think some of the traders fail on that. So guys, we can check what are the 5 key points to select the good stock. So the first one, select 10 to 50 stock from Nifty 50. If you're a beginner, you can select 5 to 10, depends upon your time, and you can select. So why I'm suggesting Nifty 50 means Nifty 50 stock have good volatility and liquidity. And from these 10 to 20 stocks, we need to search for the trading opportunity. We need to identify. So from these 20 stocks, 10 to 20 stock, daily we want to watch on this because it will give a good opportunity to trade that we need to find. And the second thing, don't make any trade strategy during the market hours. So why means if you're applying technical analysis and any trading strategy on this time, what will happen, the emotions and greedy will act on big role on this time, and that time you will create a wrong strategy. So I'll only suggest before market opening hours, we should make a strong trading strategy. So some of the friends are suggesting like just go to top gainers and top losers and hourly gainers and 5 minutes gainers, but I'm not suggesting for that because in real market it is very difficult to apply the strategy. So for example, anyway today market is and means after market hours, so you need to from this 10 to 20 stocks, you want to identify the good stock, at least take 3 to 4 stocks. Just identify and apply our strategy and support and resistance whatever you are drawing, and create it for tomorrow's trade. So we need to find at least 3 to 4 stocks for tomorrow's trade. So today only we want to make for tomorrow's. That keep it on your mind. So guys, the third key point is decide entry price, target price, and stop loss. This keep it on your mind. This is the very important part of the trading. And according to the technical analysis, decide the entire thing. That means entry price, target price, and stop loss that you can decide. For example, if you are drawing support, if you are identifying support and resistance and trend line, for you can forecast, we can forecast the future price and where it will go, and at least we can forecast. Okay, so I'll show it on one double chart that I think we already given, suggested the stock I think 2 days before, and it performed well. So I'll show it on chart. Okay, so friends, this is the double chart. This stock last we suggested around 29th, we suggested for buy above 489 and sell below 486, like that we suggested. So uh, I'll explain how to select this stock. Okay, just think we are selecting this stock 28th for trade 29. Okay, and 28th anyway night or any whenever you have free time, just we need to look on this chart and just draw the support and resistance. This is the first resistance I drawn here, and this is the second resistance, and this is the first support, and this is the second support. Okay, if any 5 minutes candle closing above the resistance one, so I'll take the buy entry. That is my trading strategy. And if any 5 minutes candle close below support one, then I'll take a sell entry. Okay, so there is you can see in morning anyway, after 50 minutes can sorry, after 9:30 only we'll take the entry, but up to 9:30 there is no 5 minutes candle. Sorry, after 9:30 there is no 5 minutes candle close above the resistance one, so there is no chance. And see, after 9:30 5 minutes candle closed below support one. Okay, and see the moving average. You can see my last video. I'll uploaded one video also there, combination of price action with EMA, exponential moving average. You can see that one also. And here also trend is negative because 5 minutes candle also closed below the this one support one, so this is a clear entry chance, so we can take the entry here. So I think some of our friends also take the entry here and they make the good profit. This is a support too anyway. It it hit the first target, and after that again this support line break by big candle, and again it fall and it touch up to 476. So around 10 rupees profit we got there. So this is how guys we need to select the stock. So next day also we can create a strategy for 30th. This is the previous day, support 1 is there and support 2 is there, resistance 1 and resistance 2. Here if any 5 minutes candle close above this support 1, then we can take entry, but till here there is no entry chance. And here we got an entry, sell entry, but we don't take because this is in trend only, because the you can see the moving average candle is above the moving average only, so this is in trend, so this is in positive trend. So anyway this line is crossing means we can take a entry here. Okay, so 5 minutes candle already closed from here by big candle, so we can take a entry here from 486 onwards for, yeah, and it went up to 493. So this is how we need to find the opportunity. Okay, so next point we need to check, uh, we want to always watch a selected stock news. So from money control or from investing.com we can see the news. Why? Because before selecting stock, so we need to just check the news, means whether any good or bad news came, or because sometimes news will drive the stock price against the technical analysis. That means what we prepared. So just check the news also. And next important point, don't take any entry until the stock price come to our target, sorry, entry price. Sometimes what will happen is, some stock will open gap up or gap down, so that day stock price will not sorry, stock price will be far away from the prepared trading strategy, so that day just avoid the trade, or otherwise wait until the price come to our entry price. So these 5 points, just consider before taking analyzing any stock or taking any entry on trading. Okay, just consider these 5 key points. And one more thing I want to tell personally, and every Saturday or Sunday anyway we are on free only, right? So that day you can select some stock, around 10 to 20 stock you can select. From that you can draw support and resistance and trend line. Just draw that, and once we draw support and resistance we can see which stock is at support and resistance or trend line. So just make a note of that. Or sometimes if you are drawing means, example we are doing drawing any support and resistance, some price will be middle of support and resistance, stock price will be middle of some support and resistance. So we can identify this stock within 2 or 3 days, maybe the stock price will move to near to support price or maybe move to near to resistance price. So just make a note of the price, where is the support and where is the resistance, and just make a note and just keep it with us. And after that it will be very easy for identifying the stock, because after 3 days we can, after just looking the price only, we will get the idea the stock is near to support or resistance. So it is very easy method. So anyway, Saturday Sunday we are free only, right? So that's it, friends. So I hope everyone liked this video and it is helpful to everybody. If you have any comment or something, just you can mention here. And support and resistance, I didn't showed here how to draw. And if you want any video about that, just make a comment on the YouTube comment box. Okay, the next video will make on that. So thank you for watching, and kindly subscribe our YouTube channel, and please share with your friends and like it. Thank you. Bye.